Guys, drop me a comment below if I should go ahead and pay Alex for this truck, because you know what, I freaking want it. Out of my he's watching me on the camera up there. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the week before Ford takeover, so we got all hands on deck. It's going hey Alex, where are them keys at though?
Look, he started to, then he thought about it.
I was sure that door was unlocked. Alright, so first things first, Boomer's car, since it's gonna be on property, looks freaking like glass. Oh my god.
Get a little cleaner, huh?
Yeah. And we have bumpers too, which I'll show y'all in a minute, but you gotta see Alex has been working his magic. Looks freaking amazing. But we got the back bumper is back from Nick. It is right there, all slicked up. Remember, it had a lot of paint chips and stuff like that. Front bumper is over here in this corner with new headlights and all. Guys, let me tell you, I wish you could see this in real life, because these look freaking amazing. But front and rear bumper covers are back. We don't have the hatch yet, and it'll be at Ford takeover, right? Yeah,
It'll be there.
yeah, we're obviously not driving or anything, but it'll be there so everybody can check it out. But that's actually not what we're doing today. Today we're doing two-tone GT stuff, so let's get into that. All right guys, so I know you've been waiting. When are we gonna put the 331 in Chris's car? Well, that day happened right now, but before we did any of that, we put a heater core in it. Yeah, we put a heater core in it, and we're also fixing the door trim seals here. Make those right. But guys, we've got a great video here on the channel showing you step by step how to do a heater core, so we didn't film that, but I know you guys are dying to see us drop the 331 in, and that's what's going on. I got the lower intake on it, all of that. Motor mounts are on it. We just bolt the transmission up. All right, quick update. Clutch, flywheel, transmission on. What else we got? Water pump on. Distributors in. Balancer. Whole sending unit. I'm about to put some headers on. Starter. And let's see, what else? Got the new clutch cable and quadrant and firewall adjuster on. And guys, I swore years ago I wasn't going to do another one of these, and I did it. I don't ever want to do another one, but we got it in there. We're going to go ahead and bolt the headers up. Fingers crossed the engine will drop in with the headers attached. What do you think? What's our odds here?
Yes, it's not good odds.
I got 5 on it. What do you think? 5? If not, we'll just unbolt them. But at this point, I'm just gonna hope they fit. So, yeah. So today we got the heater core done, clutch cable, quadrant, firewall adjuster, and about to drop the motor in. Door seals are in, brand new. Freaking door seals. We are pimping Chris's ride today. We're seriously pimping Chris's ride. All right. Next,
we need to put a milkshake machine.
we do. Or what? Goldfish tank on the console or something.
Yeah.
We about to pimp your ride. All right. So yeah, we're gonna both these headers on and drop this thing in.
Ta-da.
All right, Mike. Do the music. Do the music.
Ta-da. Dun, dun, dun,
Yes.
dun, dun, dun.
Headers on. Trans on. Shifter on. Let's send this 331 home.
Let's do it.
Got the brand new clutch cable in there. Don't want to knock that off the quadrant because I don't want to go back under that dash.
I didn't bolt it yet.
I
I don't know
don't.
if we needed to bolt it in.
Nah, we just need to hang it like that.
Yeah.
Not until we. TFI harness. I told Dover, I said, I'm having like flashbacks of we just did this
Dude.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah,
Hadn't even been 7 days.
Sunday.
Sunday.
All this push rod content, everybody ought to be proud of us, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Time to go?
Time to go.
Oh, hey Chris, guess what, buddy? We're gonna undo your block. We put a heater core in, yay! All right, let's stab it. Question is, will the headers clear?
You probably already will.
Yeah, we'll know in a minute.
Aren't you good over there, Brenda?
Mm-hmm.
Get it?
Yeah, I'm
Here
clear.
you go up.
Oh,
Go back.
yeah, just push it in.
Yep.
All right.
Ready to come down?
A little bit.
Come back now, or what do you want to do?
Probably gonna have to tilt it.
Yeah.
All right.
Come down.
Yeah, go down some.
Oh, shit. Watch it, we're on the hood now. Watch your rod, too.
All right.
Shifter on the firewall.
Oh, well, there go the wires.
All right, ease it down some.
All right, here we go.
What's the oil pan there? That's how far we can go.
Yeah. Come down just a little bit. All right.
Then I take a shifter handle off.
All right. Oh, there we go. Go back. Where will we hit?
Yeah, come on down. Clean the oil pan now. Come on
All
in.
right.
Come on down.
How's that header looking?
Header's good.
Good. You want to come back or you want to come down?
We need to go in more.
All right.
All right, go down some now.
We're tilted a little bit towards the driver's side.
All right.
Hey, look at that. Look at that.
Like a glove.
Shoot, we're about to fall in place.
I think we're gonna be good on that. What's this on the firewall?
Come on down.
Down?
Yeah. Oh, what you got there? Oh. Good.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm getting this cable and stuff out the way.
What's that? Yeah, you about on that.
Good now.
Maybe it should stay there.
Down?
No, back. Yeah, down some more. Maybe we can go down a good ways now. Yeah, if it's a hit.
I think it's going to scoot on past it, though.
Yeah, I think so. I'm good on this side over
Come
here.
on,
Over
baby.
here too.
Just about. Just about.
There you go.
Just about.
Come on.
What you want to, you want to push it back?
Yeah. I can't tell. I'm just have to ease it.
I think we're
Ease it
jammed.
down just a touch.
I think it's jammed up on this motor mount over here.
Motor mount?
Motor mount pad.
Oh, yeah. Let me get a pry bar.
Whoo! I didn't think we could do it. We're getting it in.
Getting it in.
Getting it in with the long tubes. All right. Believe it or not, we got it in with the long tubes attached. Just a little bit of light persuasion at the rag joint there. Jack the trans up and 331 is home. I'm going to drop her all the way down.
Oh, shit. Looks like you just bolt that over here.
On the back of the head.
Yeah.
Well, we'll drag it back up if we need to.
Oh, yeah, I can get that.
Woo! 331 fun.
30-pound injector?
Yes, sir. Oh shit! I think I'm gonna have to go back under the dash again. Engine is in, boys. Get this thing out of the way. I love it. What do you think? Call it for the day? Yeah. We're close.
Close.
We're very close. Basically everything underneath is done. Dover's got a long trip to make. You gonna be hating it, ain't you?
Yes. I'm already dragging it.
Yeah. Hadn't even left and you're dragging it.
Tired, man. Make me tired thinking about it.
Uh-huh. Of course, Alex worked his magic on Boomer's car. You're probably, if you're watching this on Friday, you'll see this tomorrow at Ford Takeover. Looking good. We'll be firing Chris's hot rod very soon. Whew. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be driving the 331 very shortly. Have some driving impressions. I'm super excited to see how that thing rides. It ought to be nasty. It's got all the bolt-ons, heads cam intake 331. It ought to rip. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, we're gonna get back at it and catch you on the next one.